Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro Space Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. The thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And in the quick panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should be ultra long battery life. This is the power saving mode icon basically. So if you want to enable the mode, tap on this icon, tap on the check mark to confirm, and wait. And after a second or two, the power saving mode will be enabled. And if you want to make sure it's enabled, you can scroll through the quick panel and you will see that the ultra power saving mode was changed to standard mode basically. And if you want to disable the power saving mode, simply open the quick panel, tap on the standard mode icon, then tap on the check mark to confirm. Okay, this took a while, but as you can see, we're back in the normal mode. You can also go to settings on your watch, so you can press the crown button to open the menu. Go to settings. In settings, we can scroll down, find the battery option, and once you find it, you can tap on it. And here we have the battery estimate, but you can swipe up, and as you can see, we have the ultra long battery life option, and we can enable it by tapping on the switch. You can also enable the option to auto switch the ultra long battery life mode, and this basically will turn on the ultra long battery life mode when your battery drops below 10%. Okay, and that's how you enable the power saving mode, or enable and disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.